Ciao and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, guys, and today is another brand new episode on Never Out of Fashion, and this time it's a Mercedes-Benz E-Class E220 and it's a W124, and I will see you guys right after this intro video. In the year 1984, Mercedes-Benz came with a new model called W124, which was also the first generation to be officially referred as the E-Class, and this was the E220 series. This stylish looking car, the Mercedes-Benz W124, was much ahead of its time when it was launched in the year 1984. The last of its kind, the W124, was sold in the year 1995, and that was end of it. And the W124 was succeeded with another model called W210 E-Class, offered in the year 1995. The interior of the car was ergonomically designed and elegant as well at the same time. The wooden finishing on the console gave it a very stylish look and also made it look premium. The car was powered with Pioneer music system for entertainment purpose, and it also came with the remote control for ease of usage. Driver had full access to all 4 windows, which was power windows, and also it had child lock for power windows, so you could control everything from the driving seat. And the ignition of the car was placed on the left hand side of the driver. One of the very unique thing about this car was its parking brake. This was placed right next to the clutch. So you had the parking brake, clutch, brake and the accelerator. The upholstery of the car was made out of premium leather, which gave it a very classy and edgy look. The spacious backseat ensured a comfortable drive every time you traveled on the W124. All the doors were powered with the fully functionable power windows, and you had the knob to control the same. And also, for somebody who smokes, there was an ashtray right on the bottom of the door. These headrests at the back could be completely controlled by the driver just with one single button. The W124 was powered with a 2.2 liter engine with maximum power of 150 PS at 5500 rpm and max torque of 210 Nm at 4000 rpm. This car came with a massive 520 liter boot, and this is the jack which comes with this car and which is very easy to use. This is a small demo to show you how convenient it was to use this particular jack if there was any kind of puncture. And this knob or this slot is available across all the 4 sides of the car in case you have to replace any of the 4 tires, and it was very easy and convenient to use this jack. And I get to drive this car, the Mercedes-Benz E220. Whoa. This car looks huge, but then drives really easy. It doesn't feel the size it looks like. So time to head back, guys. I won't be able to make a long drive because it's already late and the sun is down, and I need to give the car back to the owner. So owner didn't want to come into this video, so yeah, that's why he's not around, nor he wanted to reveal his name in the video. So yes, that's okay. It's people's preference. As long as I'm able to shoot it, I'm okay. And he was ready to give the car. I spent a lot of time shooting, and it rained while I started actually shooting. That's why I lost a lot of daylight time, and it's already about 6:30 now, and that's why there's low light. I want to go give the car as soon as possible, and yeah, enjoy my weekend. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also do share if you enjoy watching this, and send in your comments. What do you think about this, and what next car would you want to see in Never Out of Fashion? Yes guys, that's it. Ciao, bye bye for now.